Does a write-off change net realizable value of accounts receivable? Let's explore this problem. Brighton Company writes off a $16,000 uncollectible account. Its gross accounts receivable balance is $200,000, and allowance for doubtful accounts is $18,000. What is the net realizable value of accounts receivable after the write-off? Pause the video and choose your answer before we solve it. Net realizable value is calculated by subtracting the allowance account from accounts receivable. Before the write-off, net realizable value equals $182,000. This is the key rule students forget. A write-off decreases both accounts receivable and the allowance account. Accounts receivable decreases by $16,000. The allowance for doubtful accounts also decreases by the same amount. Now recalculate net realizable value using the updated balances. The correct answer is D, $182,000. Net realizable value stayed the same because both balances went down equally. Remember this shortcut for exams. Writing off a specific account does not change net realizable value. Many students only reduce accounts receivable and forget to reduce the allowance account too. If both accounts decrease by the same amount, net realizable value will remain unchanged. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple visual accounting.